Before you eat, we say いただきます. After you eat, we say ごちそうさまでした. Hey guys, I'm Minaga. In following videos, I'm gonna talk about convenient Japanese phrases. The first phrase is お疲れ様. 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 It is said when you met someone. It is something like greeting. お疲れ様. It's like, hey, how's it going? Something like that. お疲れ様. In polite way, we say お疲れ様です. お疲れ様です. It is more like greeting. How are you? How's it going? Hey! When you meet someone at an office, you say お疲れ様. お疲れ様. The second phrase is よろしくお願いします. よろしくお願いします. It has a lot of meaning. For example, first one is when you ask someone to do something, you say よろしくお願いします. It nearly means that thanks for helping me and I leave it to you. Something like that. The second one is it can be greeting. It can be greeting. So we always say よろしくお願いします at the end of the conversation. For example, when you meet someone for the first time, はじめまして。私の名前は大野美奈香です。よろしくお願いします。Like that, right? The third phrase is とりあえず、とりあえず. So there is no exact translation into English about とりあえず, but the similar phrase in English is anyway and for now. For example, when you at a restaurant, you say とりあえずビールください. It means, well, for now, I'll get a beer. Something like that. とりあえず、とりあえず. This one, yay! Before you eat, we say いただきます. After you eat, we say ごちそうさまでした. Put your hands together. いただきます. After you eat, ごちそうさまでした. It shows some gratitude for some food for some chef. This is very polite Japanese culture. いただきます. ごちそうさまでした. Let's try it. 久しぶり. 久しぶり. It is said when you meet someone you haven't seen in a while, you say 久しぶり. 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 So, in polite way, we say お久しぶりです. お久しぶりです. In English, it can be long time no see. It's been a while. But 久しぶり is really useful. 久しぶり. 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 Alright. どっちでもいいよ. どっちでもいいよ. When you cannot decide which is good, you say どっちでもいいよ. どっちでもいいよ. In English, it can be either is fine. It's up to you. Alright? It's very convenient when you cannot decide, but it can hurt people depending on the situation, so be careful when you use どっちでもいいよ. Especially for dating, if you say どっちでもいいよ, it can be like I don't care and it can hurt the people. どっちでもいいよ. Alright, bye bye, every day happy. My hair curl is getting faded because of the humidity. So I'm gonna tie my hair. It's very easy. It makes me tie my hair very easily. Just grab your hair and pull it.